Hi friends, welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Today I am going to show you how we can link an Excel data with Microsoft PowerPoint. So here we have a table days and leads. The days contain days from Sunday to Saturday and leads contain certain data over here, and we also have a corresponding chart based on this data. So what I want to do is I want to link this chart with a Microsoft PowerPoint, and whenever I update any value over here, it should be updated in the PowerPoint also. So let's see how we can do it with a simple step. So first thing, what I want to paste into Excel and link, paste into PPT and link is like I want to link this chart. Okay. So I am selecting this chart. I am copying this chart using Control C. Okay. I copied it. Then I am going to PowerPoint, and in PowerPoint you can in the top menu under Home you can see the paste option. Click on the small arrow under that, click on paste special, and from here click on the second option, paste link. Or you can also select this option from the first option, Microsoft Excel chart object, or you can go down and select Microsoft Excel chart object from here and click on OK. Yeah, so the chart has been displayed here. The same chart that you saw in the Excel sheet has been displayed here. So you know that top number is 40, first number is 40, second number is 10, third number is 16. So let's see whether the data changes when we change them in the Excel sheet. Okay, so I'm going to change this 40 in the Excel sheet to something different. So 40, I'm going to make it 65. Okay, so here the chart has changed to 65. Let's see whether it has been changed in the PowerPoint also. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, this is a PowerPoint. It has been changed to 65. Similarly, I'm changing the second number to 40. Let's see. Yeah, it has been changed in the PPT also. It has been changed to 40. So this is how we can link an Excel data with Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is very useful when you are creating presentations for your company, because you don't need to go and copy paste every time whenever you change the data in the Excel sheet. Just link it and change the data as you like, and it will get updated in the PPT by itself. So that's it for the time being from my side for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and share. Also provide your valuable comments. And if you are watching this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. If you click on the bell icon, you will get notifications whenever I upload further new videos into this channel. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye. Have a great day.